Hi students, good morning everyone. Now we are going to talk about Unit 1 Basic Concepts of Chemistry and Chemical Calculations. What is matter? Matter is defined as a substance that occupies space and has mass. Matter is defined as a substance that occupies space and has mass. When we say something occupies space means that they have volume. For example, air is considered a matter because it is made of different gases which have both mass and volume. This is flow chart. Two types of matter: pure substance and mixture. Two types of pure substance, elements and compounds. Two types of mixture, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixtures. What is the mixture? A combination of two or more pure substance in which each pure substance retains its individual chemical properties. What is the homogeneous mixture? What is the homogeneous mixture? Homo means same. The root homo means same. A homogeneous a homogeneous mixture is one that has the same composition throughout the mixture. A homogeneous mixture is one that has the same composition throughout the mixture. The common name for a homogeneous mixture is a solution. Two types of mixture, one homogeneous and another one heterogeneous mixture. What is the heterogeneous mixture? All components of the mixture are visible because they do not mix together. Particles not distributed evenly. For example, sand and water, vegetable soup, and oil and water. What is the pure substance? A substance that has a fixed chemical composition throughout is called a pure substance. Two types of pure substance, one elements and another one compounds. What is the compound? A compound is a pure substance composed a compound is a pure substance composed of two or more elements that are chemically combined. For example, water, CO2 gas and N2O gases, etc. What is the element? An element is a pure substance that cannot be broken down into simpler substance by physical or chemical means. For example, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, etc. This is example for atomic masses. This is chemical compound carbon. This is symbol of carbon C. 6 is a atomic number 6. Atomic mass 12.011. What is the atomic mass? Roughly equal to the sum of the individual particle masses of an atom. For example, carbon atom. Carbon atom symbol C, atomic number 6, atomic mass 12. Why? How many percent in protons? 6. How many percent in neutrons? 6. Therefore 6 plus 6 equal to 12. Therefore atomic mass equal to 12. Carbon atomic mass 12. What is the molecular mass? Molecular mass or molecular weight. Molecular mass is the sum of the atomic masses in AMU. AMU means atomic mass unit in a molecule. Listen, molecular mass is the sum of the atomic masses in a molecule. For example, SO2 gas. SO2 gas. How many percent in sulfur? 1. How many percent in oxygen? 2. Therefore, 1s equal to 32.07 AMU. 2 oxygen, therefore 2 into 16.00 AMU. Therefore, SO2 equal to 64.07 AMU. For any molecule, molecular mass equal to molar mass. Molecular mass AMU, molar mass grams. Therefore, 1 molecule SO2 equal to 64.07 AMU. Therefore, 1 mole SO2 equal to 64.07 gram SO2. Mole definition. Mole definition. It's a very important question. The mole is the amount of a substance of a system which contains as many elementary entities as there are atoms in 0.012 kilograms or 12 AMU of carbon. We symbolize this with MOL when the mole is used. The elementary entities must be specified. This is very important. The mole is the amount of the substance of a system which contains as many elementary entities as there are atoms in 0.012 kilograms or 12 AMU of carbon. Avogadro numbers. It's a very important question. Avogadro's number. 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 is a Avogadro's number. Avogadro's number is the numbers of particles in 1 mole of any substance. It is used to make very large numbers easier to handle. The conversion between moles and gram depends on Avogadro's number. What is a molar mass? Molar mass is the sum of the atomic masses in a molecule. Calculation: molar mass equal to mass of how many hydrogen? 2. Mass of hydrogen plus mass of hydrogen plus mass of oxygen. 1.01 is a mass of hydrogen. 1.01 plus 16.00. Therefore, 18.02 gram divided by mole. This is gram divided by mole is units of molar mass. Molar volume. What is the molar volume? The molar volume of a substance is the space occupied by a mole of its particles. The molar volume of a substance is the space occupied by a mole of its particles. A substance molar volume is determined by the size and spacing of its particles, although the size of the particles has little effect on a gas. Molar volume because gas particles are so spread out. Substance expand when heated and thus their molar volume is greater at higher temperature. Examples for molar mass. C6H12O6. C6H12O6 is a glucose. How many carbon? 6 carbon. How many hydrogen? 12 hydrogen. How many oxygen? 6 oxygen. 6 carbon, 12 hydrogen, 6 oxygen. 6 into atomic mass or molecular weight. 12.01. Hydrogen. How many hydrogen? 12 hydrogen. Therefore, hydrogen molecular mass 1.008. And how many oxygen? 6. Oxygen molecular weight 16. Therefore, total 180.156 gram divided by mole. For another one example for molar volume of a gas. Avogadro's principle states that equal volume of gases at the same temperature and pressure contain equal numbers of molecules. 2H2 plus O2 equal to 2H2O. How many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen. How many moles? 2 moles. How many oxygen mole? 1 mole. How many moles? 2 moles. 2 molecules and 1 molecules, 2 molecules. 2 moles, 1 moles, 2 moles. 2 volumes, 1 volumes and 2 volumes. Next question, gram equivalent weight. The equivalent weight expressed in gram is called gram equivalent weight. The equivalent weight expressed in gram is called gram equivalent weight. 1 gram equivalent weight of HCl is 36 gram of HCl. Similarly, 2 gram equivalent weight of HCl is 73 gram mathematically. Number of gram equivalent equal to weight of substance in gram divided by equivalent weight of the substance. Limiting reagents, very important one. Limiting reagents. What is the limiting reagent? The reactant used up first in the chemical reaction. What's the limiting reagent? The reactant used up first in the chemical reaction. What is the excess reagents? The reactants present in quantities greater than necessary to react with the quantity of the limiting reagent. The reactants present in quantities greater than necessary to react with the quantity of the limiting reagent. Students, today homework question. Today's homework in chemistry. First question, define limiting reagent. Second question, what do you understand by the term mole? Third question, what do you understand by the term Avogadro number? Fourth question, define gram equivalent weight. Fifth question, define homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Listen, this is small mistake. Wait, my dear students. Avogadro's number and gram equivalent weight. First question, define limiting reagent, and second question, what do you understand by the term mole? Third question, what do you understand by the term Avogadro number? And fourth question, define gram equivalent weight. Fifth question, define homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. Students, watch this video 2 or 3 times so that you can understand the concept well. Here I give 5 questions for you, so you have to think and answer these questions, and write this question and answers 3 times in your homework note, and also write test in your chemistry slip test note and send it to my WhatsApp number. Thank you, students. God bless you.